In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Salesflare API key. If you're connecting Salesflare to other tools or building an integration, you'll need an API key, which works like a secret password for apps to talk to your account securely. First, open Salesflare in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll usually find this by clicking your profile picture or the small settings gear, typically near the bottom left of the screen. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Salesflare may update the interface from time to time, but the option will still be within your account settings area. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled API Keys or API Key. This is the dedicated place where Salesflare stores and manages credentials for external connections. Opening this section will show you any existing keys and give you the controls to create new ones. To generate a new key, click the plus button, often located at the bottom right of the page. You'll be prompted to give your key a name. Choose something descriptive so you'll recognize it later, like Zapier integration or data sync reporting. Clear names make it easy to track which integrations are using which keys. When you're ready, click Create. Salesflare will immediately generate a unique API key for you. As soon as the key appears, copy it right away. This part is important. In most cases, you won't be able to view the full key again after you leave the page. Paste it somewhere secure, such as a trusted password manager or an encrypted notes tool. Avoid keeping it in shared documents, emails, or plain text files, since anyone with this key can access your Salesflare data through the API. A few quick safety reminders to keep your account secure. Treat your API key like a password and keep it private. If a key is ever exposed or shared by mistake, delete it immediately from the API keys page and generate a new one. It's also a good idea to create a unique key for each integration, so you can disable just one connection without affecting the others. Keeping a secure list of key names and their purposes will help you stay organized over time. That's it. You've created, copied, and safely stored your Salesflare API key. You're now ready to paste it into the integration or tool that requests it and start building your connection with confidence.